Is your iPhone not making any sound? This can be really annoying, especially when you're trying to enjoy music, watch videos, or hear important alerts. This usually happens due to settings, software glitches, or hardware issues. But don't worry, this guide will show you simple solutions to fix the no sound problem on your iPhone. Let's get started. Before you start, Solution 1. Check important audio setting. Open setting, scroll down, tap sounds and haptics. Enable change with buttons. Make sure to turn up the volume to the maximum level. Solution 2. Adjust audio. Open setting, scroll down, tap accessibility. Scroll down, tap audio and visual. Turn on mono audio. Scroll down. Make sure to set this audio point in the middle. Solution 3. Offload apps that are not giving you sounds like YouTube or Apple Music. Open settings. Tap general. Tap iPhone storage. Find out the apps that are causing issues like Apple Music or Spotify or YouTube. Tap offload. Tap offload again. Tap reinstall. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap on general. Scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and select. Reset all settings. Confirm your choice. Note, this will not erase your data but will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper. Once your iPhone restarts, check if the sound works or not. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the no sound issue on your iPhone. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips and tech solutions. Don't miss out on future videos. Stay tuned for the next one.